guys, how's it going? We're making ramen. So yeah, come on. Hey, Robbie, give that over there. No, give it. That's your cup. Wait, no. This that's wrong. This is your cup. Put it over there. And then.
Over here.
And your
This is
yeah.
kind of.
No, not again.
Why is it talking by?
Okay, put it in your. This is yours. Put it over there. I'm gonna mess up a little bit. I think that's a lot. So one pack of ramen is already inside the microwave, and
Whoa!
we need to
What
put
you say?
our cup back.
Whoa! Like the whoa!
We can do that. If you're wondering why we just not started the video, we didn't. We tried to make another video, but the video ended, so I gotta start over again. Okay.
One is done.
I'm scared.
And the other one
Ow!
is done.
It's so sizzling hot. Okay, Robbie, bring. Okay, so we took his out. We took Robbie's out because we made Robbie's first, and we're gonna have a little bit more cheese, a little bit extra, to get that nice little cheesy flavor. Okay, so Robbie, get some noodles and get a fork, and now we're gonna put in his seasoning.
I don't show them.
No, because it's gonna be no.
Yeah,
We're gonna be recording a whole bunch of videos today, depending upon how well this video goes.
Hell!
Hey, Bobby, do you want a little bit of ranch? Do you want a little bit of ranch? Oh, you laughed.
Choose a game that's in the way you. And it's
Most of my subscribers know what Splatoon is, since how they have an Nintendo Switch, and they probably have Splatoon on there.
Splatoon 2, you mean?
Okay, so we need to try it.
And she's ready, and then she's gonna flip.
I think it might need a little bit more seasoning. We're gonna put a little bit of ranch in it. So I took the cheese out of mine because apparently cheese is not going around with noodles, and then makes it taste plain. So no cheese in mine. Okay, so Cadence is in the microwave now, and we're gonna be doing mine. Cadence is out the microwave, and I'm about to put mine in it.
I'm gonna touch it with the rock.
Mine is final.